Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how can you download ChatGPT on your laptop. So for downloading that, click on Window key and then open Microsoft Store. And here on the Microsoft Store, in the search bar, search here ChatGPT. So here you can see I have searched it. So here you can see ChatGPT is showing. So now here you can see as I have already installed ChatGPT on my computer. So this is showing as open. In your case, this will show as get. So by clicking on that, you can download the ChatGPT. So now I'm opening it. So here you can see ChatGPT has been launched. Now I can sign up or log in into the ChatGPT. So I hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching.